All right, so I've been wanting a fruity drink. I don't drink, so I'm gonna make a mocktail. And I have pineapples. I have cherries. I have grenadine. I have peach. And I have pineapple. And I'm gonna make a mocktail, and this is called booking a beverage. So I'll pair with the beverage. So this one is pineapple, and I have the club soda. So make sure you stay tuned. So here is the club soda. This is the cranberry dry fruit splash. Got my cherries. I'm about to pour it in. So here is my cup. I have somebody that is peeking in. So we're pouring. So we have the pineapple. See there? Oh, look at that color. You have, I poured the cherry fruit, the canned dried fruit splash. I'm gonna add a little cherry grenadine. I'm gonna add a little bit of peach. And then I'm gonna add probably just a little bit more pineapple. You can see that. You can see. And then I'm going to add a cherry. I'm probably gonna add 2 cherries. And a little bit of cherry grenadine. And then I'm going to give it a swirl. That's good. That's very good. All right, so I made us a mocktail, a nice, refreshing drink. So it is Canada dry fruit punch, pineapples, peach, cherry. So let's see.
You can take the fruit punch, and it's like really citrusy. So it's really, really, really good.
It's really good. It's really good. And then you have the cherries at the bottom. It's really good.